Hi everybody, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is JeanHomeDecorNMore. Welcome back and welcome if you're new. Welcome to another Tablescape Tuesday. Tablescape Tuesdays are hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Amethyst Adventures. Tablescape Tuesdays are conducted every Tuesday at 6 p.m. So if you're interested in this open invite collaboration, please chime in along with the rest of us co-content creators. I am going to post the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Amethyst Adventures, their links in the description box down below, along with the hashtag Tablescape Tuesdays 23. So, guys, I thought I would try a different type of look. So I thought I would try a black and white look for fall. So nothing on this table is new. That's what I'm so happy to present, that nothing on this table is new. And as I've said in the last couple of tablescapes that I've arranged, you got to dig down in that stash, see what you have, and kind of incorporate those different elements that you may not have used or some that you may use, and just kind of mix them up a little bit and see what you come up with. So in any event, I've taken pumpkins from different arrangements in my home and I placed them all here. And this little lantern was outside on my deck in the back. So I thought I would try something different, just a black and white theme for fall. So let me know if you like it. Let me know if you like it. Give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you join my channel. Hit that bell so you can be notified when I post new videos. So again, these plates, salad plates or dessert plates, I got these from Amazon last year. And what I like about them is that each plate has a different design on it. So that adds interest to the table. Everything else, guys, I believe you have already seen. But you see how I mix things up a bit? These pumpkins I've had from last year. Now, I will say that these buffalo check pumpkins, I got them this year from the Dollar Tree. But I thought they were so cute. And you guys gonna see these buffalo check pumpkins in the future, right? But the rest of these pumpkins I've already had. And I think I might have picked up a couple of these white pumpkins. I think they were in a bag. I want to say, did I get them from the Dollar Tree? 5 and below? I can't remember. But in any event, they were in a little bag. And I had some of those last year. Maybe a couple I might have picked up this year, along with these little Dollar Tree pumpkins. But I mean, at best, maybe what have I spent here for this for this table setting with $3, because everything I had from last year. So again, I try to pack my things up nicely, like I'm sure everybody else does. And you just use them year after year and it looks so nice. So I thought I would try something different, like I said, this black and white theme for Tablescape Tuesday. And I thought this was really nice. I particularly like this lantern with the pumpkins inside and the LED candles. I just love those. I just like the way this turned out. I think this was, different. And like I said, I like creating tablescapes because it gives me a chance to be creative a little bit. And You know how it is when you here by yourself? I'm like, let me see what I can put together for a tablescape. I don't have no noise in the background. You know, sometimes it's nice to be home so you can kind of think about things that you might want to do. And this is one of them. So, you know, anyway, guys, let me know what you think about this black and white themed tablescape. I thought it turned out quite nicely.